Hello everyone, today I will be I will be showing you how to fry yam. I'm gonna fry Nigerian yam. As you can see, this is yam which I have cut, so I'm gonna put it on the tiny pieces because I'm gonna fry it. You don't need too much big one like the one I'm slicing it. So I will be peeling it. So I will put the way I'm peeling the yam. So I don't want. So when you peel it, you just drop it inside the water immediately so that you will not go brown. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm frying my yam now. So this is how to fry yam. It's very easy. So just leave it to brown up. Then why I will cover it so that the oil will not splash everywhere. So that's why I use this to cover it. So this is I've sliced my tomato, which will go with the yam, and this is my garlic. This is my onion, which I have sliced everything. So after I finish frying the yam, so I will make sauce for the yam. This is my egg, which I'm gonna add with it. So you can just use as many eggs as you want. So this is how my yam is frying. I will make it to cook more. So I fried my onion, which I told you I will prepare sauce for the yam. So I'm frying my onion now. So I will let my onion sit for a while. So I will add my tomato. So I'll stir it together. So I will add my garlic. So I will add my Maggi. This is no. I just had half for now to test it first, to see maybe it's tasty. Okay, so I will let it cook for a while. So in my egg, I normally put little milk, fresh milk. So I stir it together. So my tomato will come out. So I have to bring it a little bit low heat. So I don't want it to overcook because I like fresh tomato. So I'm gonna add my pea, my green pea. So I stir it together. Egg together. So since I want to use the sauce for yam, so I don't want it too dry because it's fried yam. So I'll make it a little bit watery, but not so watery. So I'll just leave it to cook for a while. I'll just stir my egg together with the sauce, with the tomato. So that's what I'm doing. So because of the milk that I put on the egg, you can see the egg is not so sticky. So I can able to bring it everywhere to make it like. So I put a little salt because I tested the salt is not okay. So I put a little salt. As you can see, the egg is coming out very well. It's ready to eat. So as you can see, there's not much water, but there's still little water on it. As I said it before, I want to use it for yam. So this is the best sauce ever. So this is the end of my food. My food is ready. The fried yam and the egg sauce. So if you know that my video was helpful to you, please you can subscribe and like the button, and God will bless you. Bye for now.